Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shea, and today I'll be showing you guys my curly hair routine. This is like one of the most asked questions on my Instagram, and like everyone has been asking me, oh, what do you use for your hair? What products do you use for your hair? How do you make your hair curly? And all of that stuff. So I'm going to impute all of the sauce in this video, so stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you all the products I use. I'm going to show you how I use them and the details and why I use them. So just stay tuned and keep watching. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to wash my hair, and first off I'm going to loosen the braids that I already made the night before. I oiled them so when I want to go wash my hair, it's not going to take out all the nutrients from the hair. So basically you're going to see me loosen my hair, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to lose one side and then lose the other side. So when you're losing your hair, you want to take it step by step. You don't want to jump steps so it doesn't cut your hair or make it tangled. So after losing my hair, I'm just going to spread it a bit before I comb it in the bathroom. You're not going to see me comb it though, because I'm just going to be doing it in the bathroom, so it reduces the tangle while I wash my hair. So I'm basically going to be using this Curl and Shine conditioner and shampoo to wash my hair. It's for thick and curly hair. This is the conditioner. I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair in the bathroom, and I'll be right back. I'm back, and I've conditioned and washed my hair and kept it in a bun so it doesn't dry out and remains damp for our next procedure. First off, while I enjoy the sun, I'm going to play some music and get myself in the mood. So I'm just going to let my hair down and spread it a bit to kind of loosen it. And next, I'm going to be using this curl enhancing smoothie and the curl and style milk and strengthen and restore styling lotion. So I'm going to be using these three for the next procedure. Before I water my hair, I'm going to pack my hair up and section it. It doesn't have to be a straight line because your hair is going to cover it up, and we actually don't even want a straight line because when we pick our hair, we don't want it to leave those lines behind. So I'm going to part this in two, and I'm going to be working with one side first. First I'm going to spray my hair with water, and then I'm going to massage this in just so the moisture gets into my hair. And next I'm going to be using the curl and style milk. I'm going to be using this in a little amount and rub it on my palms and apply it on my hair, also massaging it and trying to detangle it at the same time, concentrating on the ends and detangling from the roots. So next I'm going to be using the curl enhancing smoothie, and I'm going to be using it in this much quantity, this much. I will also rub it on my palm and apply it on my hair, massaging it in the same way, concentrating on the ends and trying to detangle it at the same time. Next I'm going to be using this strengthen and restore styling lotion. I'm going to rub it on my palm as well and apply it on the hair, also doing the same thing, massaging and working on the ends. I added a bit more water because for this to work you need your hair to be really wet or damp. Excuse me struggling with my piercing. If you have piercings, you know the struggle. So now I'm going to comb my hair, and when combing your hair you need to start from the ends, comb it gently and stepwise go to the middle before you go to the ends. Make sure that it's detangled from the bottom before you get to the roots. This way it helps to reduce breakage. So I usually use this eco styling gel, but today I'm going to be using this other one, but I'm going to be using it in minor quantity because it makes your hair clumsy. So I'm going to be rubbing it on my palm as well and applying it on the hair, doing the same thing, massaging from the roots down to the tips. Now I'm going to brush it down with this detangling brush, and this is what brings out the curls because you already added the styling gel. And this is how it looks, curled, and I'm just going to crunch it a little bit. Now moving on to the next, I'm going to spray again, doing the same thing, spray with my water, massage it to my hair so it's moisturized, and I'll apply the curl and style milk. Applying this on my hair and massaging as well, also detangling and focusing on the ends. I'm going to detangle with my fingers before I apply the next, which is the curling enhancing smoothie. And I'll massage this also and detangle with my fingers. Then I'll move to the next. Apply it on the hair as well and massage it, detangling with your fingers. And next I'm going to be using the Eco Styling Gel, rubbing on my finger, on my palm, and applying it on the hair. So I combed my hair and I'm going to brush it now, and after detangle with my detangling brush. I'm going to pull this out so the curls remain. So for this part of my hair, it gets really straight, so sometimes you don't really see the curls, but what I do is I comb it just the way I did the rest, and I crunch it afterwards so the curls would come out. So I'm just going to keep crunching it step by step and press it down to my skull. I'm going to keep doing the same thing, and for the front you don't want to forget your edges. You want to include your edges, wet your edges, and moisturize your edges too, because those parts really get stressed out. Excuse me dancing, I already put myself in the movement. Brush this out and the curls pop up. Look at those curls. I'm just going to crunch this and move. I'm done with all my hair and I'm just going to keep crunching them and let it air dry for some time. I'm going to let my hair air dry for like 5 or 10 minutes, and while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm just going to keep dancing and replying some messages and comments on Instagram. And after I've waited, I'm going to be applying some oils. I'm going to be using my Jamaican Black Castor Oil and my pure almond oil. I'm going to be mixing these two because the castor oil has a thick consistency and my coconut oil is almost finished. So I'm going to mix these two together and apply it on my roots and some of my hair as well.
Just one of those days. Yeah, for the girls, for the girls, for the girls.
now after I'm done, I'm going to be using my coconut oil to apply to the ends and the body of my hair. After some time, I'm going to be using the blow dryer to dry my hair because my hair isn't getting any dry than it usually does on a normal day. I filmed this at night, so my hair didn't really get dry as fast as I thought it would. So I'm just going to keep using this blow dryer, and I'm going to dry my ends and also concentrating on my roots. And this next step I did, do not do this. This made my hair freeze after my hair was already dry. So I did my makeup, and now I'm just going to separate my hair with my hands to make it fuller. And next I'm going to pick my hair. So you want to use a good picking comb. You don't want to use just any comb because it's going to make your hair frizz and it's going to destroy your curl patterns. I'm going to pull the ends also, so it makes my hair bigger because the back of my hair usually shrinks a lot. I'm just going to pull that out and continue picking till I'm satisfied with how big it is. Until you're satisfied with how it looks, and I'm going to pin the sides of my hair with a bobby pin, and voila, we're a little bit more picking and we're done. So guys, this is my finished look and I am loving my hair. Basically, this is my curly hair routine. This is like what I do most of the time. Shea Moisturizing is my favorite product that I've been using for years, and it's been working really well for my hair. I have a type 3B hair and it's been really amazing for my hair, so I just stuck to it. That's the end of our video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying on this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification so every time I post you get notified. See you in my next video.